Hi everyone, so today I'm showing you how to fix sound not working on your Android phone. Whether it's your speakers, headphones, or media audio, these fixes should help you though. Let's jump in. All right, first thing, press the volume up button on your phone. When the volume slider appears, tap the arrow to see all volume levels. Make sure media, ringtone, and alarm volumes are all turned up. Now, swipe down from the top of your screen to open Quick Settings and turn off Bluetooth. Sometimes your phone connects to a Bluetooth device without you knowing, and that's why sound isn't playing from your speakers. Okay, search for Do Not Disturb. Make sure it's turned off, because this can block sounds on your device. Here's the thing. Go to Settings, then tap Sounds and Vibration. Check and make sure all the individual volume sliders here are turned up too. Now go back to Settings and tap Accessibility. Look for Audio Adjustment or something similar. Find Sound Balance or Audio Balance and make sure the slider is centered. If it's all the way to one side, you might not hear anything from one speaker. Finally, restart your phone. This refreshes system settings and often fixes sound issues immediately. And that's it. Your sound should be working now. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.